really windy night. I don't know that I got much sleep, or it didn't feel like I slept. So behind me is Martha's Pass. Be climbing up there. It's kind of funny, you can see there's just one trail just cutting right across the mountain. This is probably one of the most pleasant climbs on the whole TA. Just a nice, gradual, steady grade. Probably won't see many more like this. Hot tamales!
Hot tamale, hot tamale!
Pretty nice climb, huh?
Oh, like the fellowship of the ring. This will that one. So like mentally knowing where I'm going, where it stops, where it changes helps me a lot.
Wow, look at these peaks. Pretty crazy. Huge dragonfly. It's a fun little hut. Is this the locked one? No, it's not locked. Huh. Nice. Yeah. Wow. This little thing has more bunks than the freaking DOC hut.
Yeah, yeah. Baptized me as Boom Boom. Boom Boom!
Yeah.
Boom Boom!
How do you get that?
Yeah, how'd you get that?
Oh, because I have a speaker, and they all find it very funny. And then there's rumors that say that the second boom is because I carry one single condom.
One single what?
Condom.
Oh.
Doing a shakedown for him.
Well, you not only had a speaker, you had an extra battery
Yeah.
for your
Yeah.
speaker.
Yeah,
And
true.
an extra phone.
And we're like, come on, a Bluetooth speaker, do you have headphones? He goes, absolutely not. The speaker is non-negotiable. Absolutely not.
So I rounded this. That looks like a bull to me. Pretty big cow. Giant testicles. Some Sobos crossing the river. Trail drops down here, and then we cross the river. Border crossing down by that island.
Ahuriri River.
Say it one more time.
Ahuriri.
Okay. Ahuriri. That's pretty close. Like that famous scene from the Beatles, except it's water, not a crosswalk. This, just in case. The wind is just ripping through here. This is like the winds that you usually get on top of a mountain, but we're just in a valley. It's our campsite. It's a little bit more protected. Hopefully a lot less windy than last night. Show the camera what cards you got.
You'd like that, wouldn't you?
I wouldn't be able to see it until I made the video.
I have this one. Don't look!
Shitty property down. Alright, your turn.
Oh, wait, here, come back. I have this one too.
I can totally see it. Pretty good cards.
Yeah?
Card.
Oh, if I only had one card!
I had the card.
The card!
Ah!
It's the blue one, isn't it?
Ah!
You have double red, don't you? It's gonna get shuffled back in. It got played.
Alright, let's just show off. Let's just show off what we've got already.
Oh,
the big properties.
Oh.
Yep.
Ooh.
And they're just gonna stay there. Nothing's gonna happen to them.
Are you sure?
Well, probably someone will take them from me. But yeah, that's it for now. What happens when the deck just disappears? Remix all
trying
the...
to shuffle right now, but I've got distracted.
Oh my goodness. He shot the Dano! He likes that feels good. He likes the game now.
Capitalism is good now.
Yeah, suddenly I like it.
See, I knew you had it.
And I had this waiting the whole time. I had one blue and this the whole time. I was just waiting for that blue red.
How do you win? Because you had cards on.
And I got 3 props.
This is a pretty cool section. You get some really big views. Windy still, but it's nice to be able to see for miles and miles.
Like kind of crunchy, kind of sweet, a little tart. I don't know how to describe it.
So good.
Yeah, it's delicious.
got you falling. It's a slippery rock.
I told you.
It's a little bit windy. Incredible up here. I wasn't expecting it to be this pretty because it's actually not that high. We're at about 4,000 feet. So I thought we'd be walking through farmers' fields some more, but this is a really unexpected, beautiful spot. And then we just got to go down this hill and we will be at Lake Oto. And there's a lodge and food and hot tub and nachos. There's the lake. Wow, what a beautiful lake. We're at the Lake Oho Lodge, and these are the famous nachos. What do we think?
Oh, big nachos for the big guy. And the big girl. Oh yeah. I was tempted with that angle you had to pull out a ball. I thought it wouldn't be appropriate for the video.
Well, this sour cream.
What do you reckon?
This is our first course.
What kind of soup did they say it was?
Vegetables.
We got the venison.
Ooh, and a bottle of wine, the most important one.
Traditional Kiwi pavlova.
What's that?
It's like a grape